Men have a harder time talking to women who are physically more attractive. Men can easily perform analytical processes while driving and can drive fast safely. Men spend almost a year of their lives staring at women according to a survey. Men are more likely to underestimate a woman's level of interest. Men are more likely to be more emotionally affected by breakups than women are. Men are likely to make impulsive decisions than women are. Boys tend to lower their voice when talking to their crush. Boys lead on achievement tests, while girls do better on classroom dates. According to psychological facts of male study, men hate asking for help most of time and will avoid taking any help until they feel they can't do it by themselves. Men don't like comparison. They hate if any female will compare them to other male. A man like women who are more feminine, not dominating. Guys have the ability to slow the aging process. Men tend to age better than women. They lose collagen density more slowly than women, which means their skin resists wrinkles and sagging as they get older. Men less attracted to women who cry most often. Men prefer to solve their problems without discussing them. When a man is serious about his partner, he thinks about marriage more than a woman. Men care about looks more than women and can get easily attached to a woman just because she looks beautiful. Guys don't like it when you tell them about your ex, even if they say that it's okay to share. After sex, men want to sleep and women want to talk. Men express their strongest feelings through the act of making love. Most men love women with thicker and longer hair. According to psychological facts of the male study, male wearing shirts look more attractive than the ones wearing t-shirts. Men lie twice as often as women. Men are physically strong but emotionally weak compared to women. Unfaithful men have lower IQs.